It's a good song. Steal a cake? Alright, seriously, if we stole it, it's $25.
Is it seriously?
We stole it.
Hey, large ice cream at DQ. Oh yeah.
Dude, look what I got.
Big shot.
Just throw this out like. He owes me money.
No.
You guys want to go see what we can buy for a penny? Did you do it? Whoa. When did you do it? I didn't even see it. Did it hurt?
Do you not know how that works?
What the heck are you doing? Why must you do that? Dude, nothing is happening. We're just walking. Where are you?
Right now we're going to the new
Like butter.
we're going to the new police station to see what it looks like. They just built this a couple months ago. Kind of sucks.
I'm gonna see if they're gonna arrest us for loitering or other stuff. He's filming the gated area. Dude, look, they have those car stopping things. That's weird.
Where?
Why the heck would they have that?
Yo, bitch! I have money!
Run!
Who's throwing shit, Timmy? He's up there. Four, five,
Up that ground, Timmy. Oh, yeah. So many cars.
9, 10, go! 6, 7, 8, 9, 1, 2, 3, 4,
4, 5,
6,
6,
7, go down!
7, 8, 9, 10.
Dude, look at this. I can't do knuckles. Look, there's blood right there, and it's freaking out over there.
Hypocritical. He's hypocritical.
Keep going. Ow. You can roll, my friend.
What new? What new?
Technical foul.
Oh!
Recheck. See, that's grabbing right there. No, it wasn't. Yeah, you were holding on my hands. Yeah.
I scored.
Check it.
Check it. Oh! This is a butt, man.
I don't know how my butt's pointed that it hits you in the nuts.